Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert or install your plugins to Adobe After Effects. So, I got a free plugin here on AEJuice. Want to check that out? So, just click on Download for Windows, and then here automatically it'll download. But since I already downloaded this, I don't need to download it anymore. Instead, I'll show you what's currently happening. So now that I've downloaded up, as you can see here, just click on accept and install. So you're gonna need to close Adobe first before you can install it. So I've already closed Adobe and now it's reopening again. We're just gonna click on. Once Adobe opens up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna close it. So we're just gonna close this right here and then just finish and accept the install. Once that finishes installing, this is now what you're going to do. So after it finishes install, you can now opt to open Pack Manager in Adobe After Effects 2025. So just click on finish and then automatically Adobe will be opened. And mostly for like updated presets, it's already there. It'll already be installed in Adobe. So it's much less hassle compared to how it was done before. But yeah, definitely if you're gonna be like starting out or you're gonna do uh or if you're going to like um if you're using an older version or if it doesn't work, what you want to do is like here, as you can see here, what you want to do is you want to go to the file that you downloaded. So this is our installer, right? Kind of just want to extract this, extract the files. Then once the file is extracted right here, the installer, you're just gonna want to go to your Adobe folder, find the Adobe After Effects folder right here. Then have that copied here or move the pack here next to your user presets. And then close that and close Adobe as well. And then just reopen After Effects. Once After Effects is opened, your plugin should be installed in the system. That's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.